Windows 11 has such nice new features like rounded corners and a dock in the middle of the screen. I was afraid it's gonna turn into macOS, but luckily it has the same underlying code as Windows 10, so we're safe. Microsoft also made its best wallpapers, a bunch of them actually, and there is one missing, the nostalgic Windows XP wallpaper, the Bliss. But it looks so outdated that we need to redesign it to fit the aesthetics of Windows 11, so first you need to take inspiration. After scrolling through the best wallpapers, I found these to be the loveliest and I took inspiration from them. So the terrain. I created a bunch of plates following each other and then pulled them up to form a nice terrain. And the clouds, I created a system that creates circles around the center and then I mangled these circles mercilessly to create clouds, which I have to say look quite disgusting, but I didn't realize it yet. I was completely in the zone. So I added heaps and heaps of these criminally bad clouds and started with the materials, also known as making the field green. Basically my approach was super lazy. I just projected the same image to the field and used its colors when the light passes through the planes. This is also known as subsurface scattering. Now I was very happy with the result, and then I asked my brother and he said the clouds are crappy and the hole here looks also very crappy. So I cried a little and started again. I removed the hole by rotating the ground and then I reshaped it, and then I created the world's most Windows 11-ish clouds you could find. I'm sure Bill Gates would love them. And after all this experimentation and trial, I'm happy to present the Bliss wallpaper redesigned. How nice does it look? I mean, Bill Gates would be so happy to get it. By the way, speaking of Bill Gates, I also made a special edition of this wallpaper, the Bliss Gates, featuring Bill Gates, the Gates, and the Bliss. Now everyone just spam this picture to him and we will have it in the official Windows 11 when it comes out.